Hello everyone, this is Rick Jouis from Mirabel. I'm hoping that you're doing great today. The virus is still pretty strong around us, and my video is going to be in English today because I like to do it in French and English, but I need to practice my English. So I was thinking about maybe working for the public services as a caregiver to people for seniors, and I was thinking that, well, I'm not going to work there because it seems to be difficult there. I'm willing to take a risk, but to work with those guys with their all the thing about government, normally they never work very well, and the system is made for is made for making money, but not for humans. So that's why all the issue about government, municipalities, and stuff like that, I'm not going to work for them. So I'm still offering my services to private house. It could be Nordic walking. It could be if you need any help with the groceries. So I'm available for that, and I can wear a mask and a glove to help you. So I'm doing that around the Laurentide region. Could be Mirabel, Saint-Jérôme, and if you just want to talk about it, it's like. And personally, I have my own businesses, so I need to make money like everybody else. So it's a matter of how do you want to charge. I'm not going to tell you how to charge to you, but you're going to tell me how you want me to charge. So and I'm going to ask you that. I'm going to let the information at the end of my video. It could be I can work around your house with lowering demand, everything like that. So if you need any help on that specific work, grocery, or if you need help to work around your house, I'm available. So and like I said, I can wear a mask, and I can wear different equipment for protection. So if this thing is, I'm really I'm really there for your need. So for a specific need, if you need really help, if you need hands, no problem. I'm healthy, and should I say, if you tell me to do one thing, I'm going to do it right away. So I like to work for people, and right now it's fun to help people. So, but basically, I'm not going to work for the government, municipality. I'm only going to work with the private sector, with people that need help, private house. So, guys, take care. Don't give up. Eventually, the virus will just leave eventually. So protect yourself. Have a good time. Don't forget. Oh, by the way, nature is my playground, but don't forget. Nordic walking is great too for keeping you healthy. So bye-bye.